There's the horses you were talking about.
There we go. Wow. Like just roaming free?
Yeah. Okay, now we're on our way to Greyton. Look at this bridge.
Oh, nice.
Beautiful river. I think this is the Sonderend River.
This is so gorgeous.
Yeah, beautiful, eh? Look at your side.
This is beautiful.
Really
Yeah.
nice.
With the autumn colours again, eh?
Yeah, beautiful, beautiful.
Oh, it is gorgeous.
I couldn't just drive past, I had to stop. It is so beautiful. This is on the road on our way from Riviersonderend to Greyton. But it's gravel road we've taken. We're not going with the N2, we're taking the back road. And you get this crossing, this single lane bridge with this here. Fantastic. I just want to mention that I checked on the map now, that is the Sonderend River.
Yeah, but that was an exceptionally beautiful place.
That
there.
is beautiful there.
Wow.
It's like a little paradise.
What a nice valley, hey?
It's easy, you know. It's amazing that you'd say that. Because on the map it calls it Happy Valley.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Yeah, I'd be happy here.
Very. It's pretty.
And these are apple trees. Are they?
Look like apple trees. Stopped here by a load of sheep.
Listen to the sound.
Yeah.
I love it. All have different voices.
All have different voices. I'm telling you, I think this is, I don't know what kind of bull this is, but it seems like some Texan, one that you find in Texas.
A longhorn.
A longhorn, yeah. Texas longhorn. For all you know, that is what it's called.
Reverse a little.
I have no idea what their
It is
name
quite
is.
impressive though,
Check
hey?
them horns, eh?
Wow. He is beautiful.
He is, eh? Massive horns.
But I can only imagine the temper and the mood. Because the way he's looking at us now makes me think, what do you want?
I won't go and find out. No rodeo for me.
But he's beautiful,
He
eh?
is, eh?
I wonder how long those horns are. They're like 45 centimeters each? What do you
if
think?
not longer, maybe even half a meter. On just the one side.
Yeah, I mean
Yeah.
just the one side.
Crazy.
Gorgeous, love it. You are beautiful.
He'll impale you with that thing, eh? Wow. Check the dust of this car approaching. And it looks like a Jeep as well. Crazy. Crazy. Welcome, Greyton. Wow, here we are.
Alright, now we'll have to figure this all out.
Yep.
Oh, isn't it pretty?
Very pretty. Wow.
I believe they have a lot of horses in the town.
Well, I noticed that.
That's what made me think of it. I hope we get to see some.
Now Greyton is not a very big place, eh?
No, I don't think so. It's very interesting. Lots to see, I think.
And here's an OK Mini Mart.
Oh, okay.
Petrol pumps.
Come later.
Yeah, shall definitely come later. If your eyes do fall on a drank winkle, just let me know.
I will. Let you know.
Oh, this place is really cute, eh?
Buzzing.
Yeah, no, this is a little hub. So what we decided to do is we came in from the opposite side, not the main road of Greyton. So we've decided to start from the one side of Main Road in Greyton, or whatever the road is called. Yeah, it's Main Street. And drive right through and see what it's about. I must say the trees are massive.
Unbelievable.
The eateries
For
and
a
the restaurants are all
weekday, yeah.
open.
Looks cool.
Look at these cute little places. The gift store.
Yeah, very nice. A.C. Osman, General Dealer, 1934.
Wow.
It's probably where the farmers market is.
The farmers market over the weekend, eh?
Church.
That's the church, yep. I must say these places are beautiful. I love these. Look at the style of house.
And they've kept it authentic,
Yeah,
eh? I
it's
appreciate
beautiful.
that so much.
Yeah, definitely. The sun's highlighting this side of the street incredibly.
Beautiful. There are just so many incredible places.
Yeah,
The weather's fantastic.
beautiful. Look, there's the horses you were talking about.
There we go. Wow. Like just roaming free?
Yeah.
That is fantastic. See, that's what makes it unique.
Yeah. Wow, pretty, eh?
Gorgeous. Oh, this is the life, eh?
Yeah, I know. They roam the streets of Greyton.
Hello, little one.
Hello.
There we go.
Hello.
Hello.
So we've decided to see what the 1934 General Dealer has got for sale.
That's interesting.
A.G. Osman General Dealer. I don't know if it's the same owner.
Probably not.
Yeah. So, interestingly enough, A.G. Osman General Dealer 1934, it's still owned by the family.